Hey guys, my name's Dee. Today I'm going to be sharing with you they're like logo, draw behind logo things. So, iMovie. I'm not going to include any background, so you can just go ahead and use your own. I wonder what this looks like if you make it. I've never done this. More saturated, like that's kind of cool. So then, bring it in. And so you guys know this, like shh. So we'll do it like split the clip, delete, and then green, blue screen. And then I'm gonna just add like your little title here. Super submarine. Oh, you know, it'd be even better if it like you could see the colors of the text. How do we do? Like this. Dark submarine color. Ooh, that's too dark. Maybe like that. It's very nautical. So I hope you enjoyed that. Subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like it.